Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another live stream of Creating with Core. I'm just going to go ahead and load this thing up here real quick. Let's just pop on over there. We got that screen going. Okay. So this is make sure things come up on the stream here. Everything looks good and dandy. Okay, so here we go. This is the game we're working on. The Supermarket Sweep. Something a friend of mine save, not the autosave. That's fine. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to figure out what I need to do. Okay, so he said C and P. C and P don't do anything. No? Okay, I don't know. I don't know. What? Let me look at what he said here real quick. I gotta flip on over there. He was telling me. I thought he said C and P. Did he not say C and P? C and P. I don't know what C and P he means then. Okay, let's see if this is the updated version. This is the updated version. Okay. Okay, we have end cap. That's good. Oh, I see. If you right click and then WASD while right clicking, that will allow you to move around the map. That's what I was missing. And then the WASD keys work that way. Okay, I get it. Interesting that he decided to texture this one. This one little bit. Oh, he's doing it all wrong. He's doing it all wrong, sort of, but he'll figure it out in time. Okay, but what I need to do first, let's see. First. I'm going to just go in here. I'm going to run around this little map. All right, so the spawn point has to move. What are these? Are these cooler cases? Well, let's see. Realistically speaking, people in this game jump much higher than they should be able to. But we can get up on top of this shelf. And we can get up on top of the bakery. Let's see. Yes, we can. Almost. Ooh, almost. Let's see if we actually can. Not from there. From here. Not quite. Can we double jump? We can't double jump. That's fine. Uh-oh. Oh, I don't like that. That is a problem. I gotta figure out how to prevent that from happening. So, escape. Okay. Let's go back in real quick. I just want to see if I can get on the meats. Maybe? Or did he put an invisible wall there? Maybe. Oh, I got stuck again. Ah, he did not put an invisible wall there. Oh, and that's poking through, which we'll have to figure out. But that's okay. Okay, so I got up. So we got to figure out somehow, maybe put something else there. But okay, so what I need to do is I need to add. He's getting closer. Still need a lot more work done on taking these things like this cube and what? The cube. Yeah, they all need to be moved and stuff and adjusted and grouped and all that sort of stuff. But still, okay, so we're doing good there. So if I were to put in a something, I need to put something in, just a invisible object. So we'll just go up to the top. We'll scroll all the way down to the bottom. Like click here, create a gameplay object, and we want to I guess we don't want a gameplay object. We just need a script. Right? We just need a script. And this will be spawner? Okay, so this spawner needs to go and be its own thing. Not part of the floor, not part of anything. And I'm going to work on it, and it's going to be all the way to the top, just because that's what I'm working on. So, we can add a custom property to the spawner. And it will be department? No. Let's see. Can have a string, right? And this will be department, right? So we have a department, and we'll set that. Can we add core object reference? Ha ha! That's what we got. Low value, mid value, high value. I need to change these. Is value product? Okay, so we got that. And then I can actually put in an actual object reference. So if I could go in here, and I go to just for testing purposes here, and if I go and grab a tennis ball, and I can drag it. No? What, do I need to put it in the scene first? And then once I take it out of the scene, I can then go to spawner. Can I lock that so then I can't accidentally do this? No. That is not what that lock does. That lock makes it unchangeable. There is no lock up here, is there? No, I don't think so. Okay, so what if I do this now and I take ball, tennis, and then I put it there? Okay. Actually, we need to take the tennis. Okay, so then we also will take the tennis ball and we will child that to the spawner script, right? So, bam. Nodes with non-uniform scale cannot have child nodes. Parent the non-uniform node with the selected nodes as siblings under a group node as an alternative. Okay, so I need to create a group node. New group. All right, let's call this spawner. This will, instead of being called spawner, will be called spawner script. Okay, and then I need to move this around a little bit here. Move that. Where did it go? Did I delete it? Did I move it to the bottom? Okay. What? I can't. Wait, what? It's the same error? This is the okay. How do I ungroup contents? There's nothing grouped. All right, let's just move this to the top. Oh, you know what? Let's keep everything at the bottom for the moment because everything new goes to the bottom. So we're gonna just move it all the way down to the bottom and work down there. This is why I need for him to do better. Oh, and it didn't even move it. Kidding me. Okay, so spawner grip ball, and can we click on two things at once and then group and create? No, can we just group? No. Why does it do that? I don't want you to create a group under it. I want you. So if I do that, I can do that. That's fine, but that does me no good. But then if I try this, it says nodes with non-uniform scale cannot have child nodes. Parent the non-uniform node with selected nodes as siblings under a group node as an alternative. So, here we go. Okay, so I need this, new group containing these. There we go. Okay. That works. And then that keeps them all together. So we're going to stick in a golf ball, and we're going to stick in a soccer ball, and we're going to stick in a volleyball, and just a volleyball, and a basketball. No, I don't want ball, basket. Okay, so is it possible to add... Okay, so these things are Is there a way to add like a list? Oh, an asset reference. Well, testing. Let's see what this is. Does that allow me to then take this and just drag it in here instead? Ah. Okay, that's better. Okay. Okay, yeah, remove. Okay, so department string, we got that. And then, can I take a ball? And then put that into here? No. What about if I take the ball and put it into the scene, right? Then does it show up on imported content or anything? And what if I take it here? Will that work? No. What if I put it here? I don't get it. How do I create a asset reference while assigning asset? Okay. And then I can go here to the core content. I can add the ball. Simple as that. All right. I got to do some Googling here. Lists in Lua. Linked lists. That's what I'm looking for. How do I work with a linked list? List equal no. Linked lists in Lua. Each node is represented by a table, and links are simply table fields that contain references to other tables. And what? To insert an element, list equals next equals list, comma value. What? Why is this so? Lists, such double linked lists or circular lists, are also, however, you seldom use structures in Lua because usually there are simpler ways to represent data without using lists. Represent a stack with an unbounded array. Okay, so let's go Lua and arrays. Okay. Arrays. Here we go. Let's see what they say about arrays. We implement. Okay. Can we have two assets named asset? No. Huh. It's interesting how we do this. Okay, so spawner. All right, so let's just take the ball. We're going to put the ball into the spawner. That's fine. And then if I add a custom property to the ball, an int called a volume, and I add a custom property to the ball, an int called a value, and I add a custom, you know what, that's fine. Volume and value is all I need to do for now. So now I have this ball. Can I take this ball and create a new template from this and just call it ball? Now I have a template called ball. And this template called ball, can I delete this guy? And now I have my template called ball, and then I can drag this ball into there, and that's my ball, not your ball. And so that ball has the properties on it that I need to know. Okay. So that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. So now from here inside my script, I can, simple enough, let's just blop it right there. Bam, script's done. Yes, save it. Where did I put the spawner? It's hiding somewhere down under the world, isn't it? Let's see. Q. Let's just go ahead and move this puppy over and up into the air just for the fun of it. And let's pull it back here. Can we go a little faster? Back over here just to play with a little bit here. Okay. All right. So, in the script, we now have this. It will get this information. Department, we'll just call this toys. Toy department. Toy department. Perfect. Okay. I don't know if we even need department. I mean, that's just kind of naming it or whatever. But again, this is all conceptual. So in the script, we go back here, and this is where my Google foo comes in again. Core gaming. Core gaming. Spawn asset. Simple enough. Scripting and core. Spawn a template. Rotate an object. Spawn a template asset. That's exactly what I want. Okay. So it's here. It's right there after rotate. So we add, we spin, and this is where now you've got it working. If only we could collect the coins. But where is the spawn? Spin coin. What the heck? Where is the spawn? I don't care about the spinning or any of that yet. I don't care about the triggers. The count. Wait, coins left, coin if coin. Spawn. Okay, let's go the next one. Okay, spawn coin, despawn. Okay, all right, well, still in translation mode. Move the trigger. Overlap the mana coin, that's fine. Move the player's spawn point, I don't care about that. You could spawn a new coins. Okay. Hide your coins from that when they're picked up, and then hide them when they're nesting. Why? It literally says spawn coins, and there is nowhere in here. Instantiate. This is really frustrating. Okay. Why in the world did this come up as a result when instantiate isn't even in? Okay. All right, spawn. Let's look at this one. Can you spawn imported content? Why not? Okay, so here's his script to spawn. Let's see what it says. Whatever, I don't care about that. I don't care about that. I don't care about that. Spawn. Health 1. Health 2. That's fine. Spawn nil, local spawn point, whatever. Health prep. Prop health 1, prop health 2. I don't know what that. Okay, random index. Health type's random, then spawned health equals world. Spawn asset. Okay. That's what I'm looking for. How hard was that? So I forget how to do all this now. Oh my goodness. Let's go here and here. Okay. Function on round start. Okay. On round start. Beautiful. And it's All right, and then it's just going to be spawned. Wait, do I actually need to? No, I don't need to call it local or any of that stuff, I don't think. Well, maybe. We'll see how it works or works out. See, this is exactly what I'm looking for here. So, anyway. Spawned product equals world dot spawn asset. Is that not right? Is that something that he is creating a custom? No, I don't know. And there's no answers to this. All right, let's look here. Is there world dot spawn? This is tutorials. I'm not looking tutorials. I'm looking for core API, I think. Namespaces. World dot. That's what I'm looking for. Spawn asset. Simple enough. Okay, let's. Can I? Is there? No, that's not what I want. Can you tell me more about this? Is there? There's no reference. Spawns an instance of an asset into the world. Optional parameters can be specified. Parent for the spawned object. Supported parameters include parent core object. An asset will be a child of this parent. And any transformation parameter relative to parent's transform position. Okay, that's fine. So how do I do that? I mean, why there? Ooh, this documentation leaves a little bit to be desired. All right, so let's spawn asset. Oh, here we go. He's got a couple examples for spawn asset. Let's go there. Okay, here we go. Ah, here it is. World dot spawn asset. Okay, so I'm going to move this one to another screen so I can look at it at the exact same time that I'm looking at this here. So, oops, bear with me just a second, please. Okay. World. Ay, come on. Can I actually? There we go. Okay, world. Okay. So spawn product equal world dot spawn asset, and then the name of the variable, which is just, oh my god, stop it, just asset. Oh, prop asset, perfect, right? And then comma, and then we got to do this, and it's position equals, and now I need to get the position of the parent of, no, I don't want to put the position, well, okay, position of that. Okay, hold on. Okay, so that tells me the position, but what tells it, how do I tell it? It's the exact same thing still here. There we go. Instead of player get world position, we'll get parents. Okay, that's fine. Just paste that in there, and we put a period, and right. Core gaming, find parent. Core object, the object parent. There we go. So this dot, can I just say core object dot? Dot parent. So can I see, where are the examples? Like, okay, here. This is the problem. They should have like a linked list here so I can click on it here and it take me down at the bottom. But anyway. Parent, 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 parent. Oh my goodness. I just want, there we go. Parent equals self. Huh. Okay, so that's fine. Equals dot parent. Spawn asset parent equal. Okay, okay. So spawn asset parent equal, and then is it semicolon? What is it we're looking at? If we put multiple things in this? There's a comma. Can you seriously not give me... Can you not give me more than this? Oh, and now you take me back here. Okay, so this is a Lua thing, and I'm looking at commas. Okay, so it's got to be a comma, not a semicolon. Right, equals, and then space. Okay, so this needs to be parent equals, how do you, self. Do you know what self is for Lua? Or, okay, core gaming, core object self. Let's look at this thing. Lua's core object reference. 8 minutes. Hopefully it's not
Hi,
too
welcome
loud.
back
Oh, it's too loud. It's always too
Lua
loud.
Basics tutorial series. Today we'll be focusing on functions. Did you know you can catch me
That's
stream
great.
here
Okay,
at
shut up, dude. Let me look at the script examples. That's all I want.
The next thing box code is saying is the variable called score text. Go to custom.
Okay.
Times dot and we're just updating this. So we can also update it from here. That play.
Would it be script.parent? Would that be it? Script.parent? Script.parent? Is that what it looked like? I mean, I think that's it, right? And then if I go back over here and look at one of their example scripts again, function, I have to put an end in the function, right? So I hit enter and I go end. No, I have to put it here. Why is it underlined? Why is it underlined? Spawn product equals world spawn asset prop asset. List parent equals script.parent, position equals script.parent world position. And then we got to close this off with another parenthesis. Okay, cool. F5. Save complete. Let's just see what happens if we hit play. Is there a ball? There is not a ball. We didn't get any errors though. And we hit escape. We go to window and event log. Oh, of course we didn't spawn a ball. I have to. Shouldn't I be able to tab complete or on round start? Right? And then expected core object received no value is not a valid use. What? Okay. It's asset, right? So I want to look at this. Oh, maybe I need a semicolon instead of that? Oh, I mean, is that what I need? Nope, got another error. Error says the same thing. Can I clear the error log? Okay, it says spawner line 5, which is this thing here. Alright, so can I get expected a core object, which is this prop asset. Prop asset is the script custom property. So, and that's this. No, I want, that's this. Tell me about this ball. If I put it in the world, it is a actual ball. So that is fine. So why does this not work? I think this is actually... No. 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 What in the world? Did I not? Ah, that's right. It was this window and I didn't close it. I just went back. Okay, there we go. Attempted to modify. See, that's something different. That's not what I'm looking for. If I look at his spawn points, that's fine. And in actuality, where is he getting these spawn points? He's just creating random places with vector 3. All right. Print out. Let's go down. I gotta print to screen. No, no, I don't want to print to screen. Whatever. Let's just do that. Let's just grab this guy over here, head back in here, and do a little bit extra typing for other purposes. Tab. All right. UI dot print to screen. Right. Okay. Print to screen. Let me just do this, and then we just put it in quotes or whatever. Here, let's just do local vector. Oh, you know what? We don't even just do local on position equals right. Spawn position. That. Let's put a comma. Why? Why is this suddenly looking all wrong? Oh, because this isn't closed. You close that, and that's fine. Okay, print to screen. Spawn position. I wish tab complete worked. Why do I have two T's? Get rid of this extra T. Is that right? F5 look good? Okay. But it's not the spawn position is the problem. It's this asset. Prop asset, spawn asset, prop asset. That's where I'm having the problem here. All right. What is this here? This guy. Player colon get world position, not period. That's probably part of the problem. Colon get world position. Okay, that's one thing I think that's a problem. Right. And this explosion template is script get custom property. Yeah, right there. Explosion VFX. Yeah. Right? Okay. I got that. Local explosion. And this has that, comma, and then position equals. You know what? Let's not do the parenting. Let's undo this. And let's go dash dash like that. Okay, hit F5. Now let's see what happens if we don't do the parenting thing. Huh? That was a whole different error. Spawner 6. Oh, okay. So vector 3 to string? Is there a vector 3? get normalized? How about is there no way to just simply string? How did you put core gaming vector 3 to string? Come on, how is there no way? It's literally what I was just looking at. You know what? Forget it. Just forget it. We will get rid of this as well. Simple enough. And now let's hit play. All right. That's perfect. So now if I go here, can I take this, put the ball in there, right? I got the ball. It's going to be here real quick. And then I need to, no, I need to, I can't enable networking? No? No? Okay, so let's start over with the ball. That's fine. Delete this. Delete this. That's fine. There's nothing to break yet. I'll put a new asset in there, whatever, it's fine. I'm just looking for a ball. Okay, basketball. So put that right there. Basketball. The properties I had for it was volume, which is an int, and value. So we got that, and that's fine. There'll be more to this. This is just a temporary thing. And last but not least, I need to take this and I need to enable networking on the ball. And now I need to create a new template from this and call this basketball. Now I have a networked template called basketball, which I can now delete from here. And then I can click and drag this in here. Then I hit play and there's a ball. How do I make it physics capable is the next question. But hey, it's a start. Wow, this makes things difficult. There's no way to edit this. Huh. Interesting. But I can't modify. This is like. Huh. Like, what am I supposed to do? How could I have to create. Okay. All right. This is dumb, actually. Okay, I've got it. All right. I've got it. So. Da, da, da. I understand why they do this, sort of. Or I understand the limitations of the system that I'm going to have to work around, which is fine. But if I take this basketball and I put it in the scene here, and I can move it up, will it fit on the shelf? I mean, I might have to shrink it or whatnot. That's fine, too. Yep, it fits on the shelf, that's for sure. It don't have to be moved around and whatnot. Why is it snapping to grid? Editor. Autocomplete doesn't do anything. Why? What the heck? How do I turn off grid snap? Like if I move this, it's moving down by 50. This is craziness. Okay. I mean, I can manually put this at what, 75? Like that? That's right. Now, how do I apply physics? Inherited, visibility, camera collision, gameplay. Interact with triggers. Team, use team, enable team collision, rendering mesh. Base material detail. Physics! Use debris physics. No? Huh. Interesting. Okay. Ha. Physics. Not physical. Physics. There we go. I don't even want the scripting. How does that gravity physics here? Okay, thanks. Seriously, like if I hit play, this ball won't be a physics ball, right? It'll just, yeah, it'll just be floating there, and I can't physics it. Huh. Is it because it's networked? Like, what if I put on just a basketball? Like, if I actually go back in here to 3D objects and I take the basketball and I put that here and I move that up like that and I hit play, does that? That just floats too. It's not interactable. Okay. Like, we'll do that, and let's get rid of that one. Nope. Nope. All right. Ability camera collision. Interact with this. See what this does. No, absolutely no change. Okay. Disable distance field, casting shadow, disable decals, material, physics. I can't do. What if I go create networking context, new client context, test, whatever. I don't know what this even means. Game collision, force on. Oh wait, let me just force off. Let's let that be itself, and then see if I can. Huh? Do I have to put this inside of a client? I don't understand this client server crap, but I'm getting there. Slowly but surely, I'll work on this a little bit over time. Okay. Core gaming. Make a core object pushable. A core object with simulated physics. Okay, is camera collision enabled? Okay. What? That's it? That's all we get? Uh-oh. I mean, huh. This, it may not even be possible to do. Can I take this and can I create a template from this? This is the spawner template. And if I go to the template here, can't actually edit the template, right? But if I delete this and then I put the spawner template back in here, then I can see the spawner as its pieces and then delete the template. Spawner's currently deleting it. Are you sure you want to delete it? No. Can I then go here and I mean, I can modify it, right? I can go to spawner script. I can edit the spawner script. Start testing. Okay, 5 to that, and then we do this, and then we delete this, and we put it back in the scene right there. Maximilate it, and then we do here, we edit. Okay. That is perfect. Good, good, good. Okay, I got you. I got you. So that's the spawner. Perfect. Okay, now I'm starting to understand this. So I can actually literally take this guy, put it into the game, and then make my changes, and they will save. So if I go here, right, and I just give this volume, I'm gonna have to give this an 8 and a value of, I mean, how much do you pay for a freaking basketball, right? Like 20 bucks? Sure, why not? Okay. And then I delete this, and then I put my spawner back in the game. I'm just going to put the spawner in right above, right here, and then move it up a bit. That should be good, right? And then we go back. Great. Put the basketball in here too, because why not? And see basketball, and it did not hold my value and my volume and value there. Huh. Can I de-instance this object? What does that do? Does that mean that I can now delete this? Is this that? Let's see. I'm just going to delete this and just say yes. It's fine. So I still have this. Okay, so then I can take this and I can now create a new template. Okay, there we go. And then I can delete this. Okay. I said I can delete this, right? This. And then the spawner script, I can go here like that. And then I can delete this, but if I put spawner back and spawner script and the asset did not save. So then I need to de-instance this object. I need to remove this. Then I can make this here. And then I can new template from this. And then I can delete that. Okay. This is all learning how the frickin' UI, API, all that kind of crap works. So that when I am making these things and figuring it out, okay, toy department, basketball. Okay, simple enough. And then it tells me how to access those from when I created it. And all right, sounds good to me. Sounds good. I am getting it figured out. This is getting somewhere. So I've got that. Oh, I need to remove. Cancel. I need to delete that. No, no, delete it. Thank you. Okay. So now I need to work on the basketball itself, which is a product. So the basketball needs trigger. Create gameplay object trigger. Uh-huh. Yeah, all right. And now I need an object. No, there's a button. This guy open script generator. There we go. Okay. And we want. That's fine. That's not what I'm looking to. This guy here. Okay. So that's what I need. Local trigger script parent. Okay. So that means this probably needs to. Script. Okay. Trigger script. Okay. So in here we edit this and this we get there. Bam. And then we do this. Oops. Okay, so we got that. That's fine. I don't care about the rest of that yet. I just need to figure out, yes, please, and the trigger itself, interactable, shape. Let's find the basketball. Okay, so let's move the basketball up a little bit. And here's the trigger. Where is my trigger? Why is my trigger over there? It should be at 0, 0, 0. Right? Trigger is on the basketball, around the basketball. Okay, good. So I can walk up and there will be standing on a basketball. Okay, hold on. Let's move the basketball. Basketball needs to move just a fraction inch. Okay, there we go. So we go there. There's basketball. I can walk up. Why can't I interact with it? Wait. Where did the trigger and all that crap go? What just happened? Didn't I just add a frickin' trigger? Huh. Basketball. Spawner. How did I not? I swear I just added a frickin' trigger. Thank you. Okay, the trigger. Okay, it's there, right? It's right there. What just happened? And then put the trigger script onto the trigger, right? And so trigger script, it gives us the interactable, the trigger itself, interactable, and then the basketball is just right there. So we go there. And the trigger's gone. Does the trigger have to be the top? Okay, so if I put the trigger here, I put the basketball inside the trigger, and then put the script inside the trigger. Is that part of the problem? That works. Still can't interact with it though. Did I forget to interact? Okay. Bang. Seriously? What did I do wrong? Hit this thing again, script generator, trigger. So function, you know what? Let me just add. Oh. That's what I'm missing. My bad. There we go. No. Is it because the trigger isn't there because it... Urgh. Okay. Okay, I see what I need to do. Basketball. 0, 0, 0. Perfect. Now we move the trigger where we want it here. Okay. There we go. That's perfect. Fine, whatever. Let me see, go down one more. Okay, that's good. Okay. So I need now to look at the spawn point and see, is there a way to set facing direction, like a rotation? Okay, that's fine, whatever. Okay, so now is everything with my trigger and stuff done? Interactable. Okay. Perfect. And now if I go window event log, trigger interactive munchball. Yay! So now here I can take this and create a new template from this, and this is a test product. Bam. Okay. So the test product gets deleted. I need to put the spawner back, right? Spawner. And then I need to de-instance the spawner, and then delete the spawner instance, and then go down here to the spawn script, and I probably need to do the same thing with the test product still, right? Let's see, it's that basketball. I need to de-instance this object. So the basketball is the basketball. De-instance. Can I delete this without? Yep. And can I delete this without? Yes, please. That's fine. So the spawner script got nothing there. That's fine. Okay, so the test product and then the basketball. We have the volume and the value. Perfect. And then, okay, so this is the trigger. Beautiful. And this is the spawner. And then we will create templates. Okay, test product. That's fine. We remove that. Simply remove. No! Why is it so hard to delete something? And then we go into the spawner script. Test product there. And then we do the same thing here. Create new templates for this. Test spawner, because too many extra T's in there. And then we can delete that guy. And if we put the test spawner right here, right, where is that? We need to move it up just a hair. And we hit play. Oh, of course. That's fine. Test product needs to go back. De-instance. Delete. Yes. I need to enable networking. Yes. Then I need to template and delete. Delete. De-instance this. That. And then go into the spawner script, put the networked version of the product in there. And then create a template from that. And that should do what we need, right? So this guy, where's this guy? So we play, and there's our ball. And then we can walk up to it, interact. Okay. So next is the trigger script itself. So we go to my script, which I can modify this. So we can kill this guy. And then we have to do all kinds of checks in here. So let's leave that in there, and we'll add notes. To do. Hide / destroy product. And then we need to inventory. Perfect. Okay. So down here, oh, I can't do that. I can't do that. I don't like that. I can't. Or can I? Actually, I probably could do that because it uses the word end to close it. So okay. Anyway, so let's just go trigger because it's the parent. All right. For now, we're just gonna do destroy. That's fine. Core object. Oh my god, my T key is not working. Destroy. Destroy, not destroy event. Colon destroy. Okay. Okay. That should allow us to walk up to it and boop. No? Oh, there we go. It worked. And then this is gone. Okay. So I'm going to take this test spawner. I'm going to put it Where is it? Let's see. Let's see. Move it here. We need to move it. Boop. Onto the shelf. Move it right there, right? And maybe put it there, and we hit play, and it'll appear on the shelf, right? And you haven't figured out the physics of it yet, and then it's just gone. Beep. Cool. So there we have it. I have now been streaming for an hour, and I've got something working. A prototype. A very, 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 very rudimentary prototype. There's a lot more that has to go into it, but we'll see. All right. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Maybe you'll learn something about core gaming and making your own game. I don't know. Hopefully this is helpful. I am literally learning from scratch. I have so little Lua experience and yada yada and stuff. It's just, but whatever. It's all good. We'll figure it out together. So thanks so much for joining me. Catch you guys on the flip side. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.